Welcome to the sixth and a very special edition of Google for India. Today, there are more than 500 million active internet users and over 450 million users access the internet on a smartphone. Connectivity and access provides the foundation for building products and services that are relevant and helpful. In the last few months, as we grappled with COVID, we have seen the importance of credible and authoritative information that is helpful and can be easily accessed. We work closely with the World Health Organization and the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare to surface credible and authoritative information on COVID-19. Working together with MyGov and various state governments, we worked quickly to organize the information for over 11,000 food and night shelters spread across more than 700 cities across the country. We have shown as a society that we are resilient and adapt quickly in the face of big challenges. Google Pay enabled us as a society to contribute digitally to the PM CARES Fund. Within a period of a few weeks, all of us using Google Pay contributed more than 120 crores to this initiative. We partnered with Indian Council of Medical Research and MyGov to surface 600 authorized COVID testing centers across 300 Indian cities on Google Maps. We need to solve the challenges that India faces today in health, in education, or in agriculture. That is our mission in India. Make the internet helpful for 1 billion Indians and empower India to become a leading digital economy.
At Google, we've been proud to be a partner in India's digitization journey since 2004. Google's efforts in India have deepened our understanding of how technology can be helpful to all different types of people. Building products for India first has helped us build better products for users everywhere. Today, I'm excited to announce the Google for India Digitization Fund. Through this effort, we will invest 75,000 crore rupees, or approximately $10 billion, into India over the next 5 to 7 years. We will do this through a mix of equity investments, partnerships, and operational infrastructure and ecosystem investments. This is a reflection of our confidence in the future of India and its digital economy. Investments will focus on 4 areas important to India's digitization. First, enabling affordable access and information to every Indian in their own language, whether it's Hindi, Tamil, Punjabi, or any other. Second, building new products and services that are deeply relevant to India's unique needs. Third, empowering businesses as they continue or embark on their digital transformation. Fourth, leveraging technology and AI for social good in areas like health, education, and agriculture. As we make these investments, we look forward to working alongside Prime Minister Modi and the Indian government, as well as Indian businesses of all sizes to realize a shared vision for a digital India.
Namaskar. Android started with one hardware manufacturer and one carrier in 2008. 12 years later, there are more than 2 billion active devices from over 1,300 hardware manufacturers. Many of them are here. India is in fact the second largest mobile phone manufacturing country in the world, and we'll continue to focus on enabling more high quality, low cost smartphones, so more people can access the internet to learn, grow, and succeed. More than 26 million small businesses in India today are discoverable across Google Search and Maps. And every month, Google drives over 15 crore direct connections, like calls and online orders between businesses and customers. Since the Google Pay for Business app launched in India 8 months ago, more than 3 million merchants are using it regularly to accept contactless digital payments. In March, when the lockdown started, the Spot platform also enabled us to improve offline merchant discoverability with the new Nearby Store Spot. In just the 2 months since launch, more than 2 million users have used the Nearby Store Spot to find and buy essential goods. Economic opportunity for everyone also means supporting people who are looking for work. The Job Spot is our effort to connect job seekers and employers in sectors where demand for labor has increased. Because of COVID, we've introduced 2 new features: remote interviews and remote work listings, so that people who are out of work can secure employment and income more quickly during COVID. And now, I'm excited that in partnership with Prasar Bharati, we're also launching an edutainment series on Doordarshan on how small businesses can adopt digital tools and adapt to the current situation, using examples of real-life Indian businesses.
Since the COVID-19 outbreak, over 320 million students in India have been impacted with school closures. These times are giving rise to an urgent need for tools and resources that facilitate remote learning. To address this growing need, we launched Teach from Home, an information hub in English and 8 Indian languages, with resources like Google Classroom and more to help teachers keep teaching even when they aren't in the classroom. Over 4 lakh educators have accessed the information on the Teach from Home hub till date. We are excited to announce our partnership with CBSE Skill Education and Training. By the end of this year, in 2020, we will enable 1 million teachers in 22,000 schools across India to deliver blended learning with a hope to scale to underserved low-income communities. We are announcing a new grant of $1 million through our Global Distance Learning Fund. Through this grant, Kaivalya Education Foundation will empower over 700,000 teachers over the next 1 year.
I'm very happy to learn that Google is making a huge investment in the Google India Digitization Fund. Google today is a global brand. Not only a brand simpliciter, but a defining platform of change, of empowerment, of innovation, of information, and most important, digital awakening.
जो मेरे को बताया गया कि लगभग 10 लाख शिक्षकों को निःशुल्क प्रशिक्षण देने का CBSE के माध्यम से जो काम किया है, उसके लिए भी मैं उनको धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं। और जो आगे उसने हिंदुस्तान की धरती पर निवेश करके हिंदुस्तान के ज्ञान और विज्ञान को उस माध्यम से, उस रास्ते से प्रौद्योगिकी और डिजिटलीकरण के माध्यम से और सशक्त बनाने का एक संकल्प लिया है। मेरी शुभकामना।
With today's announcements about the Google for India Digitization Fund, we are recommitting ourselves to partner deeply and support India in becoming a truly digital nation. I would like to thank all of you for joining us today. We greatly appreciate your interest to understand the work we are doing in India and look forward to your support to make the internet helpful for 1 billion Indians. Thank you.